Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word paired. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I paired the red wine with a savory cheese board for a delightful evening of tasting. Paired in this sentence means to combine or match two complementary items. In this case, pairing red wine with a cheese board for a harmonious tasting experience. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.